This is a 2010 Chrysler Sebring. This car has an automatic transmission and a 2.7-liter V6. All of the following features are included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Krieger Auto Group is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3205 North Highway 61 in Muscatine.